having second thoughts and doubt on this Mavic Mini. Tell you why, because there isn't anything additional to what I already have. I don't really like using DJI leads because they could be faulty. Let's hope this one isn't. So anyways, let's go. Oh god, it's cold, it's freezing. It is still windy, but it's not as bad as it was yesterday. Gosh, yesterday it was really... Now, it's kind of too short. It's not very comfortable, you know. I'm used to that I can plug it, whatever, and just kind of come around and my phone sits that way. Because if my phone sits this way, these buttons here gets pushing against it. And maybe it's alright. It's just, as you can see, it's just having a bit of trouble to fit it in properly, but I think it's sitting properly now. Okay, right, let's turn it on. Goodness me, it's so cold. This one first, and then click it and hold it. Oh, so cold. Come on. You have to download another app in order to have this. Like, there's the DJI Mavic Air Pro all in one, and then there's this separate app. Okay, we're connected. It's connected to 9 satellites and it's very windy today.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So these ain't
Take off.
very quiet. Okay, it is very stable because it's a windy day. Looks good. Sport mode. Okay, it goes faster, does it? It's supposed to. Yeah, I can see the speed picking up. Okay. Nice. We'll go up a little bit higher. Okay, so let's put it in cinematic mode. Nice and smooth. Of course, oh yeah, look at the nice and forward. I am amazed, it is so quiet. You can still hear the buzzing in the air, of course, but now let's go a little bit higher. Morning.
Hi, how are you? Lovely morning.
Oh, it's lovely for a change, no rain.
Oh, that's it.
I know. So I am absolutely amazed. Like, it's quite strong winds and it's holding on really well. There's a bit of a shadow from the sun, I suppose because there's no filters on it. Okay, let's put it in. Oh, position mode. What's the position mode? Position mode is like just the normal flying, I think, yeah. A very smooth flight, even though it's so windy. You can trust it. for a windy day home. Quite impressed. But is it any addition to me? It is not. Okay, let's try landing on a table. My landing table. Never give up on me, but unfortunately I didn't have time to I have to put this back on, sorry. So I didn't have time to land on the table because the gust just came out of nowhere. It's very cool. Windy Ireland. I'm impressed. Gosh, that is really, really cold. Now, there are a couple things that I am not too sure about, and I don't like it personally, that's just personal, is that, okay, you charge the battery by plugging in here, okay, which is fine, it's great. But this flap, sometimes it opens very as easy, because that's where the battery is. See, it's very kind of, I mean, it stays closed, and hopefully it does not open in flight. Because actually happens to me with the DJI Phantom, one of the Phantom series, I can't remember which one it was, where the battery flap was open. But it did all the flight, it did stay intact, but the flap was open. Anyways, now the other thing is, of course they can't include in this as the 4K, it's 2.7K, but the quality is alright, it's good, it's not bad. The lead to connect here is the one that you have to use, that's DJI giving you. So, because the connection, there's only one, which is this, and then for your iPhone or for your whatever Android device you're using it. Mavic, any of the other Mavics, you see, you can plug it in there. I like that system better, maybe because I'm used to it, but if you remember my the Mavic lead, one of these leads were faulty and it would not, it kept losing the signal, and that's what I discovered, that I have to change for a different lead. You can only fly it when there's absolutely no wind. I mean, it holds on perfectly fine, but would you be a bit terrified to send across, let's say, the sea or water, you know, in a slightest bit of wind, wondering will it make it back or not? And actually, look, just notice that one of the blades is slightly bent from the wind. I mean, these blades are very thin. These blades are more solid. And comparing to this beast of a blades, these are very sturdy and sort of, the combination of the three drones. It's amazing. I love the size of it. So I love the size of it when you compare it to those two. This is just fabulous. Put it in your pocket and off you go fly. You're gonna capture something beautiful. But there's no follow me, there's nothing additional. You just take it out and you fly. So on that point I am disappointed that there's nothing extra or additional that you could possibly have as a choice. Mavic 2 Pro can be sensitive at times. Now with this app, what we do is select Snap Mavic Air. Oh, come on, what happened here now? Now it just picks up whatever the drone we have it in use. Okay, it shows me here that there's magnetic interference. I have had that before with Mavic 2 Pro, whereas the Mavic Air would fly it anywhere, but this one here is quite sensitive at times, so it says magnetic interference. Maybe because there's quite a lot of cars parked, so it did not, it said that there's a magnetic interference, so maybe it's the wall, stone wall or something. There's something it's not accepting it. Which will be my favorite, the Mavic Air, because it's small, it's compact, and you know, you can just take off for a quick shot here and there whenever you want. This one here is a little bit bigger. Yeah, I love it. I love the video quality on this one. It's just amazing. Okay,